We're out here today to tell you about our brand new express service from Fairfax County Government Center to downtown Washington, D.C. Route 699 departs here from the Fairfax County Government Center Park and Ride, which has over 400 free spaces for commuters to use. In addition to the parking at the Fairfax County Government Center, you can also connect by bus on Fairfax Connector Route 605, 621, 622, 623, as well as the Metrobus 1C. There are 10 trips in the morning and 10 trips in the afternoon, with approximately 15 to 25 minutes between each departure time. The fare for Route 699 is only $4.25 each way, and it's payable by SmartTrip card or cash. It's one of the best values for getting into Washington, D.C. Once in D.C., the bus will make 4 stops. The first stop that the bus makes in Washington, D.C. is at Virginia Avenue Northwest and 21st Street. The final stop is at 19th Street and F Street. Among the employers that are served by the bus is the State Department, George Washington University, as well as the Office of Personnel Management. Route 699 is the stress-free way to D.C. Visit fairfaxconnector.com for more information.